Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Why our channel? Because it's for every one of us who are watching these videos. So tonight I'm going to post one videos to ipiham itile unboxing video of my Morphe Richard oven. And today ibanga tu ningku ma tu kato hitaya na. Mga chuto hi a video kahin upload ding hin a video kahin upload chai chai le hun. I will explain it how do you use your oven, how to operate it na. Abaan ba na step by step ako kahin koy ding hin. Ani video hite. Today we are going to do unboxing of this Morphe Richard oven. I have just buy it yesterday and they deliver it today. So come on, let's see. So let's start opening this.
Let's get started.
This is the... So guys, kasunay daw siya. Kasunay so kaya bahagia. Before I buy one oven, it is from cái company hay lắm na. So I buy it again. Nakakat ito in. Oh, I'm so excited. I am going to have new oven and I am going to bake cakes, cookies, and many more. You can come and order your cake, okay? In Delhi.
Best in Delhi.
Best in Delhi, not in Tricharpur this time. I mean, it's too heavy. How you get to piti ka bag?
Go. Yes.
So funny, it's real. Hey, hot and I don't like it. Oh, I think I need to fix this for myself.
Alit danso.
Too big. One, two, three, ta-da-da! Here it is! What is this? What is this? Here are some of the items. Here is a rack. Okay guys, I'll show you inside the oven. It's 54 liter.
Akala lang sa na lang.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tunga.
Walo. Ta-da-da! Here, the temperature set na, and this is the mode. And what is this? This is convection. Ipipiham kahe it's a timer. Oh, fan. So that's it, guys. And if you want to order some cakes, some cookies, you can come here and order. Yeah. Bye. Hello. So let me explain you about this oven, how to use this food that are in the oven. My oven is Morphe Richard. Okay. So firstly, this one temperature set down he itibol ham tihile. Mostly while baking cakes, temperature here 160 or 170, 180. Okay. But in buns and in breads, we use 200 degrees Celsius. But I don't think buns on a bake divin kaging tahin. And abale mood ahi. This is a parrot and this two is upper and lower rod, and this is lower rod. So while baking, we mostly use only the lower rod. Upper rod is off. Okay, but in case na cake to color I keep it do lawale before 10 minutes vela ako na na oven ati kundi nga ako, just give both sides so that you'll get some color in it on the top of your cake. And chỉ ai convection mood hin chỉ fan, okay, fan chỉ fan ki on chỉ ki off abalet today ni hi mostly we use it for but asa hovel tilaya hi aro khatum tuna mesin kham tipen ako ko ita akipele le ako hi pen hi in. You can on your fan. Why? Because it will give heat inside. As it oven hi alit hi preheating mood ano ko ipale. Convection mood hin na onding as it fan hin I heat asunga ko api ito di. I heat here asunga ki pi ito lawle while you bake your cakes ni sit pale. Atung lang min lau anuy lang min ti ho tabang tay abana hi time here, as we all know, we used to bake our cakes mostly at 30-35 sometimes. For example 30 and bake like here you can bake it for more 5 minutes, for more 10 minutes. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye.